Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right app, Discord or the Donut SMP in-game voice channel, depending on server rules. You should set your headset as the input device right away so sound routes correctly. Once done, grant microphone permissions in your browser or client and make a quick 1 to 2 second test recording so you can hear latency and volume. This prevents handshake delays and explains why immediate checks save time. You avoid joining with muted audio or wrong hardware. You now tune audio quality for clarity. Adjust input volume to roughly 60 to 80% so your peaks don't clip and background noise remains manageable. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation to reduce feedback. These settings explain why other players hear you clearly. If offered, select a 48 kHz sample rate for stable voice transmission. Once configured, decide push-to-talk versus voice activity. Push-to-talk reduces room noise, while voice activity is more natural for conversation. You finish by joining the Donut SMP voice channel, saying a short hello so you confirm two-way audio. Make sure you are not muted, that the correct input device is selected, and that the app has microphone permissions. If people still can't hear you, restart the client and rejoin the channel. This often resets device routing. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle noise suppression or change USB port. This pinpoints driver quirks and usually resolves stubborn audio problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.